Have you ever wondered why you remember some things and forget others? Well, it's all thanks to a fascinating marvel of nature, the human brain. Imagine the brain as an intricate network of highways, with information zipping around like high-speed cars. These highways, or neural pathways, allow us to process and store information. But how does this happen? Let's dive into the fascinating world of the brain. First, it's important to understand that the brain is made up of billions of neurons. These neurons communicate with each other through electrical signals. When you learn something new, these signals travel along a specific pathway. The more often you revisit that information, the stronger that pathway becomes. This process is called neural plasticity. The brain is divided into several regions, each responsible for different functions. The frontal lobe, for example, is the hub of decision-making and problem-solving. The parietal lobe, on the other hand, is responsible for sensory information, while the occipital lobe processes visual information. Then there's the temporal lobe, which is crucial for memory and understanding language. Memory is a complex process that involves different parts of the brain. The hippocampus, located in the temporal lobe, plays a key role in forming new memories. When you experience something, the hippocampus takes the sensory information and turns it into a memory. But not all memories are created equal. There are two types of memory: short-term and long-term. Short-term memory, also known as working memory, is like a mental sticky note. It holds small amounts of information for a brief period. But if you want to remember something for a longer time, it needs to become a long-term memory. Converting short-term memories into long-term ones is a process called consolidation. This process happens mostly during sleep. That's why a good night's sleep is crucial for memory and learning. The brain is also responsible for our emotions. The amygdala, an almond-shaped structure in the brain, is responsible for feelings of fear and anxiety. It's also involved in how we process positive emotions like happiness and love. To keep the brain healthy, it's important to regularly exercise, maintain a balanced diet, and ensure adequate sleep. Mental exercises like puzzles and reading can also help to keep the brain sharp. So, in summary, the brain is an incredible organ. It's responsible for everything we think, feel, and remember. It's made up of billions of neurons that communicate through electrical signals. Different parts of the brain have different functions, with the hippocampus playing a key role in memory formation. Emotions are also processed in the brain, primarily by the amygdala, and maintaining a healthy brain involves regular physical and mental exercise, good nutrition, and adequate sleep. The brain is truly a marvel, a testament to the intricate and magnificent design of nature. It's the most complex organ in our body, and yet we're just beginning to understand its mysteries.